Wait, Leo, stop right there for a second.
Oh, what's wrong, Camille? Did I forget my bag?
No, your bag is fine, but you were about to go in.
Well, yeah, I really want one of those chocolate croissants.
I know, they look amazing, but we need a plan.
A plan? To buy bread? You're making me nervous now.
Don't be nervous. It's just, well, it's about the rule.
The rule? Wow, that sounds like a secret mission or something.
It's the most important rule for traveling in France.
Really? Is it about how to wear a beret?
No, it's much simpler than that.
Okay, I'm listening. Tell me the secret rule of the bakery.
It is the bonjour rule. You must say it first.
Just bonjour? I was going to say it eventually, I promise.
Eventually is too late, Leo. You have to say it immediately.
I see. So as soon as I walk through the door?
Exactly. Before you look at the food, before you reach for your wallet.
Wow, that's very different from my hometown in Canada.
Really? What do people do there when they enter a shop?
Usually we just walk in and start looking at the products.
And you don't speak to the person behind the counter?
Not right away, only when we are ready to buy something.
See, that is where the misunderstanding starts.
So if I don't say bonjour right away, what happens?
The shopkeeper thinks you're being rude. Very rude.
Really? But I'm not a rude person. I'm just hungry.
I know you're a nice guy, Leo.
But to them, I look like I'm ignoring them?
Yes, it's like walking into someone's house and ignoring the host.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense when you put it that way.
Let me tell you about my friend Sarah. She visited Paris last year.
Did she forget the bonjour rule?
She did. She walked into a small boutique to buy a dress.
Okay, and did they kick her out?
No, but the shopkeeper was very, well, chilly.
Chilly, you mean like unfriendly?
Exactly. Sarah asked for a different size, and the lady just sighed.
Oh no, that sounds like a very awkward shopping trip.
It was. Sarah thought the French were just mean people.
But they weren't mean, they were just offended.
Precisely. She didn't open the social door with a greeting.
The social door. I like that phrase. So bonjour is the key?
It really is. I told her the rule, and she tried again later.
And did it work at the next shop?
She walked into a cheese shop and said a big, clear bonjour.
And then, did they give her free cheese?
Not free, but the owner was so helpful and kind.
Wow, one word really changes the whole experience. Why is it so important here, Camille? Why do French people care so much?
It's about the philosophy of the space.
Philosophy? Man, even the grocery store has a philosophy?
In France, a small shop is like the owner's living room.
Their living room, so they aren't just a business.
Right. They are a person hosting you in their space.
I see. In North America, we think of the shop as a public space.
Ah, so you think the space belongs to everyone.
Yeah, exactly. The customer is the center of the world there.
Here, the relationship is the center. It's a human connection first.
A human connection first. That's actually a beautiful way to think.
It makes life a bit slower, but it's more respectful.
I guess I've been acting like a customer and not a guest.
Exactly. If you act like a guest, you get the best service.
Okay, I'm ready to stop being a customer and start being a guest. But wait, I have a small problem, Camille.
What is it, Leo? Are you worried about your accent?
Yes. What if I say bonjour and then they start speaking super fast French?
Oh, that happens to everyone. Don't worry.
But then I'll be stuck. I won't understand anything.
That's okay. They won't be mad that you don't speak perfect French.
Really? They won't think I'm pretending to be French?
No, they will hear your accent immediately.
Okay, fair point. My accent is pretty obvious.
But they will appreciate the effort. The effort is what matters.
So, bonjour is a sign of respect, not a promise to speak French.
Exactly. It's like saying, I know I am in your country.
I see. I know I am in your country and I respect your culture.
Precisely. After that, you can speak English. It's fine.
Wow. I feel much better now. I was really stressed.
So, are you ready to go into the bakery now?
I am. I'm going to walk in, look at the baker,
Yes. And then?
and say, Bonjour, monsieur, nice and loud.
Perfect. And don't forget the second rule.
Oh no. There's a second rule?
Don't worry. You have to say merci, au revoir when you leave.
Merci, au revoir. Thank you and goodbye.
You got it. You're practically French now, Leo.
Let's not go that far yet. Let's just get the bread.
Okay, lead the way.
Bonjour, croissants. Here I come.
That's the spirit.